Here is the solution for you. Assume z prime is equal to 220 where z prime less than z. Therefore, idler is required. Here n is equal to 40 by z prime. That means 40 by 220. That means 2 by 11. And you can write it as 6 by 33. Then a by b multiply c by d is equal to 40 by z prime multiply z prime minus z. That means 2 by 11, because we know that 40 divided by z prime is equal to 2 by 11. So we can write this here, and z prime is equal to 220 minus z, and z is equal to 227. Okay, so we get there minus 2 multiply 7 divided by 11, and we can write minus 2 in replace, minus 8 by 4 multiply 7 by 11. That means minus 64 by 32 multiply 28 by 44. Just multiply the first one into 8 and the second one into 4. That's it. So here a is equal to 64 and b is equal to 32. C is equal to 28 and d is equal to 44 teeth with an idler gear. Select the differential change gears and the index plate and determine the number of revolutions of the index crank for cutting a gear with 57 teeth. Brown and sharp. Plate number 1, 21, 23, 27, 29, 31 and 33. And plate number 2, 37, 39, 41, 43, 47 and 49. Here is standard change gears for you. 24 multiplied to 28, 32, 40, 44, 48, 56, 64, 72, 86 and 100. Look at this. The steps, case 1, case 2 and for case 3. First step is plain indexing. For case 1, a is equal to 60, n is equal to 57. That means 40 divided by a is equal to 40 divided by 60, because a is equal to 60, and that means 2 by 3. And you can write 2 by 3 multiply 7 by 7 is equal to 14 divided by 21. That means 14 holes and 21 hole circle. For case 1, step 2 is gear ratio. A minus n multiply 40 divided by a is equal to 60 minus 57 multiply 40 divided by 60 is equal to 3 multiply 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 1, that means 2. For case 1, step 3 is select gears. 2 by 1 multiply 24 by 24 or 48 by 24 driver or driving. So that means 1 idler. Okay. Now we talk about case 2. For case 2, step 1 is plain indexing. Here a is equal to 56, n is equal to 57. 40 divided by a, that is equal to 40 divided by 56, because a is equal to 56. That means 5 divided by 7. We can write 5 by 7 multiply 3 by 3 is equal to 15 by 21. That means 15 holes and 21 whole circle. For case 2, we can write step 2 gear ratio as a minus n multiply 4 by a. That means 56 minus 57, because a is equal to 56 and n is equal to 57, multiply 40 divided by 56. Then we can write minus 1 multiply 5 by 7. That means minus 5 by 7. For case 2, step 3 is select gears. We can write minus 5 by 7 multiply 8 by 8 or 40 driver divided by 56 driver. That means 2 idlers. For case 3, step 1 is plain indexing, where a is equal to 54, n is equal to 57. We can write 40 divided by a is equal to 40 divided by 54, because a is equal to 54. That means 20 divided by 27. So here 20 holes and 27 whole circle. For case 3, step 2 is gear ratio. We can write a minus n multiply 40 divided by a. That means 54 minus 57, because a is equal to 54 and n is equal to 57. Multiply 40 divided by 54. That means minus 3 multiply 20 by 27. That means minus 20 by 9 for case 3. Step 3 is select gears. We can write minus 20 by 9 is equal to 4 by 3 multiply 5 by 3. That means 4 by 3 multiply 16 by 16 and 5 by 8 multiply 8 by 8. So we can write there 64 by 48 multiply 40 divided by 24 driving gears and driving gears. So that means 1 idler. So this is the selection of gears for differential indexing of 57 divisions. I hope you understand this, and this is the table and this is the solving process of the problem.